Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the PowerPoint video series. So in the last class, we have discussed about the font ribbon. So now we are going to move to this option in the paragraph ribbon. So what we have to do, I'm going to select the computer and I'm going to make it bold and I'm going to increase the font size. After that, we have some alignments option. If you want to make changes in alignment or if you want to set the alignment, you can also do that. And here's the option for the like we have alignments as we have in the MS Word. The center align, left align, right align, and justify alignment. So you can apply. So you can apply any alignment. After that, you have the bullets here and you can apply the bullets, and after that you have the numbering here. You can also apply the numbering. Then we have a line spacing. If you are writing any paragraph, for example, I'm going to in this tab, I'm going on this slide. After going on this slide, I'm going to write a random sentence. So let's write this random sentence. After writing this, as you can see, we have the option of the line spacing. If you want to increase the line spacing, you can also do that. For example, 2.0, it's up to you that how many line spacing you are setting. And you have the option increase list level and the decrease list level. It's up to you. If you want to increase it, you can increase it. If you want to decrease it, you can also do that. Then here's a column in one column or the two column. It's up to you. And these are the basic option. And then you have the text direction. You can change the text direction as well. Then which direction text should be. We have the text alignments. So if you want to make the text alignments in the text box, like the text should be in the top of the text box and text should be in the middle of the text box, or the text should be in the bottom of the text box. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can set your paragraph. You can increase the line spacing, you can set the alignments, you can add the numbering bullets as well. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.